name's Eric. I'm the team lead for the Happy Transformer project.
I'm Logan.
And then there's also Umar Galkalp and Xavier McMaster-Humber, who couldn't join us today.
The Winograd Schema Challenge is a alternative to the Turing test. The idea is that people were kind of able to cheat the Turing test, and so this challenge, to actually beat it, you have to be able to show that your machine computer has true understanding and knowledge of the language. And that's because the Winograd Schema Challenge is based on pronoun disambiguation. So what that means is, for humans, it's a very simple task. We just kind of can very naturally read sentences and understand what it is. And so what it is there's sentences with multiple subjects. So two people, for example, and then later in that sentence, there's a pronoun that refers to one of the two subjects. And for humans, we can almost always tell who that subject is, like who the pronoun is referring to, but it's extremely difficult for computers to do. And so if your computer can do that, it proves that it has good knowledge and understanding of the language itself.
So we started off solving the Winograd Schema Challenge, which is a common natural language understanding challenge. And at the time, we were trying to implement advanced state-of-the-art NLP, natural language processing technologies. And currently, transformer models are considered to be the most state-of-the-art NLP technologies out there. And when we were trying to implement some of these technologies, we were having lots of difficulties. And when we tried to seek answers for these difficulties on internet forums, we noticed that lots of other people were struggling to implement the same technologies we were trying to use. So we thought that there must be a better way to use these technologies, and that's how we came up with the idea for Happy Transformer. Happy Transformer is a open source library that allows users to use transformer models, which is a few lines of code. Trying to implement these transformer models using traditional methods would take hundreds of lines of code, but our library makes it easy to do so, and it is currently published on PyPy, so anyone can download and use it.
So the target audience is basically anybody interested in natural language processing, from beginners who don't really understand what's going on but want to use these technologies, to data scientists who want to use these technologies to solve real problems. We've kind of made it so that anybody can use our code, like our technology, without too much fighting with back-end stuff. They can basically just use our library, plug it in, and get working.
It can be difficult to find time to contribute to the project with pressure from school and other extracurricular activities. But I think the people on my team are really passionate for the project and are also naturally hardworking. And their passion for the project has led them to really put in long hours despite school pressure because they're just so eager to work on a project that's truly making an impact and is being used by others. But I think it also is due to how we identified a real problem that people all around the world are currently dealing with. And we were dealing with it ourselves when we were trying to solve the Winograd Schema Challenge. That problem, of course, is that it is very difficult to implement transformer models. So our team has been working on a solution to this problem. And just knowing that we are creating a solution for a problem that lots of people are dealing with, and that we are creating a true impact in the world has definitely fueled our team. And every line of code our team contributes goes towards making AI more accessible, and is also some of the code we contribute as well is being used by real AI scientists. If you go on our GitHub and you see who has started our repository, you'll notice that there are lots of AI experts from around the world who are using our work, which is truly inspiring, but it's equally as inspiring to know that we might be creating tools that beginners are using, and we're helping introduce people to AI. I think that's equally as inspiring for us.
Yeah, lowering that knowledge bar of kind of how much you have to know to actually start working with these natural language processing things.
For sure.